So here we are at the Maple Nature Reserve, and we're at the Arboretum Trail. As you can see, this one here, right?
Way up here.
Yeah, coming from the towers, like the communication tower right there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, and then we're coming down this trail here. Not the whole way, but you know, a little bit. Anyway, yeah, and we're going to be doing some Hammerhead sledding. So get ready for a good ride as I do this sort of selfie thing. All right, let's see whether we can do this. Okay, here we go. Thanks for the push. All right, there we are, boys and girls. Hammerhead sledding for 2025.